Welcome to this Zen forest meditation for stress and anxiety relief. Find a comfortable position and gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose and slowly exhale through your mouth. Let the sounds of nature calm your mind and soften your heart. This moment is yours, quiet, safe, and peaceful. Begin to focus on your breath. Notice the rhythm, in and out. Imagine you're breathing in the fresh forest air, cool and pure. With every exhale, release your stress into the breeze. Inhale calm, exhale worry. Your breath becomes one with the rhythm of nature. Now bring awareness to your body. Imagine soft sunlight filtering through the trees, warming your skin. Let it relax your forehead, your shoulders, your chest. Feel the earth beneath you supporting you completely. Each breath fills you with peace. Each exhale releases what no longer serves you. You are grounded and connected to the earth. Your thoughts may drift like leaves floating in a gentle stream. Watch them pass by. No need to chase them. Let them flow effortlessly. Your mind is clear, calm, and open, like a quiet forest, clearing after rain. Now bring your focus to your heart. Feel a warm green light glowing softly within. With each breath, it expands, filling your chest with peace and compassion. Silently repeat, I am safe. I am calm. I am one with nature. Feel this healing energy flow through every cell of your body. Visualize roots extending gently from your body into the rich forest soil. Feel the strength and nourishment of the earth rising through them. You are supported. You are grounded. Bring to mind one thing you are grateful for. Hold it in your heart with a gentle smile. Slowly bring your awareness back to the space around you. Feel your body resting calmly in this moment. Take a deep, slow breath in and exhale completely. When you're ready, open your eyes. Carry this forest peace with you. You are calm, you are grounded, you are free.